Good morning children. So today we are going to discuss about the comparisons of decimals. Okay. So in this now first we will discuss about like decimals and unlike decimals. So how to convert these like decimals and unlike decimals into the decimal and fractions form, and next about arranging of ascending and descending order of the decimals. Okay. So everyone open textbook page number 112. In 112 we will be having 4 sections children. Page number 112. Okay, first let me explain about the section wise. 4 sections are there. The first section we have to make all the sets of decimals into like decimals. So here actually how to convert into, how we know which one will be the unlike decimal and like decimal. First, for example, look at the board. 0.03, 0.25, 1.73, 4.26. So if you observe these decimals, after the decimals we are having two digits. Okay, after the decimal two digits are there, means all the decimals will be known as like decimals. Okay, this all will be known as like decimal because after the decimal, after the point, they are having two digits. Okay, this will be known as like decimals. So what will be unlike decimals? Look at the board. 0.1, 0.34, 0.785, 1.2. If you observe here, in first decimal it is having only 1 digit. Second we are having 2 digits after the decimal. And third 3 digits. And fourth again 1 digit. So here there is no continuous sequence. It is having, some is having 3 digits, some is having 2 digits, some is having 1 digit. So because of that, this will be known as unlike decimals. Okay, what will be unlike decimals? Now, open your textbooks everyone, page number 112. The first section I am going to discuss with you now. Change the sets of decimals into like decimals. So first one I am writing on the board. Look at the board. First Roman A 0.3, comma 0.03, comma 0.315. Okay, like decimals. Like decimal is equal to, so in first number, after the decimal it is having 1 digit, after the decimal it is having 2 digits, after the decimal it is having 3 digits. So it means we have to make this 2 digits and 1 digits are to 3 digits. How to make? Just simple thing, we have to put zeros. For example, 0.3 is there. Still how many required? 2 digits are required, so put 2 zeros, comma, next 0.03, 1 0 is required, put 0, next 0.315. So now in all the digits they are having 3 digits. It means if they are having single digit, make write 2 zeros to make it 3 digits. Like that you can convert the dislike decimals into like decimals. Okay, next second one. Put the correct sign greater than, less than or equal to. B 0.3, 0.2, next 1.5, 1.3. Okay, 0.3, 0.2, same as it is. How will we discuss about the decimals, arranging and about the comparisons of ascending order and descending order? In that, in a regular manner, we will be put on the numbers in a sequence from small to big and big to small. Here also after the decimal, the number it will be not change the value, it will be same. It means, for example, 0.3 is there. 3 value, 3 is greater than 2. In our normal regular numbers, like that only in decimal form also 3 is greater than 2. Okay, so you can be right 0.3 is greater than 0.2. Next 1.5, 1.3. Here it will be 5 and here it will be 3. And the whole numbers are same. only in the definitions, only in the decimal part it is having the variation. So which number is big here? 5 is big. So 1.5 is greater than 1.3. Next, Roman number 3. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. Okay, arrange the numbers in ascending order. First one 0.72, comma 0.68, comma 0.504, comma 0.072. Observe here children, in all the whole number part we are having zeros only. So first you have to compare the tens place values. One second children. Compare the tens place values. There it will be having 7, 6, 5, 7, 6, 5, 0. Okay, now tell me which is the smallest number? Ascending order. The smallest is 0 only. So 0.072. Next, 7, 6, 5. Out of these, which is the small number? 5 is the small number. So write 0.504. Next, 0.68. Next, 0.72. Like this, you have to arrange the small numbers in a ascending order. Okay, next, last. Roman number 4. Write it in the descending order. Same. 0.2, comma 0.4, comma 0.18, comma 0.04, comma 0.24. So compare the all whole decimal part numbers. Okay. Descending order. It means big number to small number. So if you compare here all the numbers, the 2 will be the greatest number and 2 here and here also greatest. So we can write 0.24, comma 0.2, comma 0. Sorry, first you have to write 0.4 children. 0.4, comma, because 4 is the greatest number. Okay, next last 0.18. Like this you can write the numbers in descending order. Okay, so textbook page number 112 and 113. Complete this all the sums neatly in a classwork book as well as in the textbook also.